you guys? Sky's the limit here, back with another video. Got a different kind of video for you guys today. It's gonna be my first ever vlog type video. Picking up, yes, my new car. As you can tell by the title, picking up my new car. Now, I can't show y'all what it is right now. Well, for one, I'm not even at the place, so you know I can't even show you the car right now. I'm going to go get it right now. I'm going to go pick up this new car. You guys are gonna see for the first time. I've been talking about possibly getting a new car. I've been foreshadowing it on my Snapchat. If you've been paying attention to my Snapchat, you will probably know that something's coming. But here with my mom, she's over here. She's getting the car for me. You know, paying off that money for her son. Really appreciate it a lot. Yeah. Man, we're on the road.
You owe me for life.
I owe it for life, guys. I don't want to hear anybody say that Houston traffic is not as bad as anywhere else. Do you see this? What is this? All these damn cars. I understand it's work hours, but I don't care. All these damn cars. We are going 0. We're going 0. We're not moving.
Oh, hell no.
Alright guys, we're about to see the car for the very first time. My new car. You guys ready to see this? You guys ready?
If you are wise, you'll listen to me. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
To the newest
This shit crazy.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is look at the inside of this. Woo! Oh! That red stitching. The man here hooked it up.
I got you.
Yes, sir. Good. This thing is actually a spill. This thing's actually fake. Like, what?
Ride, and I hope you enjoyed your ride as well, young man. And don't be speeding out on those streets.
No, of course not. Of course not.
Congratulations. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Folks, take care.
All right, thank you
Very much for letting me help you out with that, all right?
No problem. That's it for this video today, guys. You see the whip. You see it looking clean. We out here, my new car. Anyway, guys, like this video up. Really appreciate that. Subscribe if you are new. And I am out. Peace.
Okay, it's time to go in for me. I've been living in infamy. They've been trying to get in with me, but the vision's clear, they just couldn't see. Making M's like I'm made for this. Bank deposit, that's paper.